Chicken wing. Alright. Anyways, so we're back to our jams, and last week we were talking about old school versus new school, and Boss Maki over here came in with what we call no school. But this week we have a new and more interesting topic for you, so stay tuned.
Yeah. 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 You won't believe that tika percent. That what up a den, Vandalinka up na gang. Hanzi what to do, brand that he handles to job. Nimborova 1 or 2, 3 or 4 rhymes. Down the holy 10. Kissing Kamchirai. I need to Jackson tryna chat, but I looked aside. Got a call from Kanye. Hanzu yati tambe. I said I wanna come, but I hate to think of Kardashians. This is a rare ungware, mfana usarare kumbare. Tiri kupisa samaru, trending all over Zimbabwe. This is a tough game, we never play fair. It's a survivor, all the best, we call it hard jams. Yeah.
So the other day, I go to the music so remote, and then guess what happens? Click starts playing, right? Personally, I thought that which Jay-Z was good.
Yeah, I thought that too.
Yeah,
Yeah, you guys gotta know Kanye West is the best rapper in the world, and Jay-Z is not anywhere in the top 10.
Blasphemous.
Let's give it.
Blasphemous.
You don't call yourself Hova if you're not good. I mean, I don't
He's
support.
He's rich. He's not good. That's a fact. Jay-Z is rich. He's a billionaire, but he's not the best rapper in the world. The best rapper in the world is Kanye West, there's J. Cole, there's Kendrick.
Not even say Drake.
All right.
Oh no, Drake is not a rapper.
Yes.
Before we get deep into this,
Yeah.
what makes a good verse? I think if we establish that,
What
it's
makes
only
a
then
good
we
verse?
can determine
What makes a
who
good
is
verse? I wanna kill it quick, cause yo don't know rap. That's
Shit.
why you're talking crap.
Shame. Shame.
Right.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay,
Yeah.
so delivery is important
Yeah.
because you gotta deliver an emotion and expression. If you do not do that with your rap, I cannot listen to you because you're making noise. Unless I'm looking for turn up, and guess what? I'll look for Lil Jon and just listen to turn down for what? Because I don't need to hear no message.
So basically, delivery. That's what
That's
makes
my
it
kind of
great.
music.
If I wanna hear a message, it should be delivered. Simple.
Okay. Well, I would think wordplay is quite important because, like, George packages is.
I feel like the best people to ever do wordplay in the world are ZimDancehall artists. Go to hell if you think I'm wrong.
That's
ZimDancehall artists do it so well.
They
that's-
do it so well, but then they don't carry much, meaning much. You know that.
That's not. It's not wordplay.
It's still wordplay.
It's not.
But
If you
that's how
think
it
they
goes.
play
Because
around
they
with
use
words.
it.
Guys.
They use the.
Anyway, give your Indonesia.
Mabhazi anenge arimo akawanda akatsvagwa, bro. Like, it's there. Everything is there. It's still wordplay.
Do you call that wordplay?
It's still wordplay.
It's
It
wordplay. It's
qualifies
playing
it.
words.
All right. Anyways. On topic of wordplay,
Yeah.
there's one person in particular who is probably my most favorite rapper out there. I don't listen to hip hop, yes, but I do listen to
Stop
activist
with
rap.
the disclaimers. We
Yes.
know you don't listen to rap. Stop telling us over and
Just
over
try.
again
Yeah,
so that
man,
we excuses.
Can
Yes.
Thank you. Right. So King Cricket, shout out to King Cricket. He says this bar something. You could go something like this. When there's drama, I'm the first to roll. Sometimes losing hurt your soul. I was born away, not even beat my mama's birth control. Now that is what we call wordplay. I mean, if we were to
I was
put him
vibing
up
until
against
we talked
Jigba,
about his mother's birth control. No matter how good a rapper you are, no matter how activist you want to be, you cannot confront your mom through a song.
dude,
But
This
This
is
is-
born a winner, even with my mother's birth control. What kind of a line is that?
He wanted
but
his
it was
mother
what-
wanted
that's
to abort
rubbish.
him.
That
The
is
fact that
rubbish.
he was able to be born.
Please.
Do you know how? Do you know how?
That
many-
was his
do you
first
know?
challenge.
Dude, that was his first challenge.
You can never confront your mother through a song. But what I liked about what you just did better is the flow. I could tell where the rhyme was gonna come.
Yeah, the rhyme scheme was.
And I was vibing, I was
It was
bopping my
there.
head. So
Yeah.
the rhyming scheme was pretty cool. So that falls, and I think like flow is the other thing
Yeah.
that
was
makes
actually-
a verse,
exactly.
one verse be better than the other.
Mhm.
And you can pick this from like the Dababy flow, the Versace flow, who else has a flow that's quite popular?
Oh,
I just know the Dababy.
Well,
yeah.
there's the casual mumble rap, the ones the Migos.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
see that there for me,
Yeah.
mumble rappers should just stop making music.
Yeah,
No,
like,
I love mumble rap.
I think,
I was
I think.
listening
Wait,
to mumble
wait,
rap.
wait,
There's
wait,
this kid in
wait.
Zim
I think,
who's doing mumble rap. You know the song Buri. Buri.
I am Bombi, no Buddha never booty. Kumada basi, zero atori ne booty. Bandera kazara maburi. Maza kwe kutanga kwa rori ne booty. Muna booty.
No, I don't know.
What are you guys listening to?
You know, and mumble rap. You know, it's the first time I heard the word, I thought it was mumble. You know, I thought it was just like mumbling and just you know, not even like mincing your words and
That's
stuff.
cool.
So I think that's a more appropriate term for mumble rap. I mean, what exactly does Migos do?
No, Migos does
But
rap.
they do rap.
Yeah,
They do
yeah,
rap.
yeah.
They do rap. They actually do rap.
Okay, so anyways, we could debate about this all day, but let's take it to the streets and see what people think. For the next segment, we're taking this to Westgate. This is where we met a few pedestrians and spoke to them about, you know, what exactly makes a verse good. So check it out.
Alright, so we're in the Westgate complex. We try to get some people. We can ask a few questions about their opinions on the tracks, flows, raps, and verses. You know what I mean?
It's gonna be a difficult shoot because
Yeah,
each time security sees you with the camera, they want to know what the hell you're up to. They would allow us to do this shoot. We're shooting with the phone, but we're not. So if we don't get as many people as we're supposed to, forgive us. It's because of the security measures.
And mind you, if you see us getting arrested, we did it for the love of the art.
For the culture.
For the culture.
Run.
Man, I'm sorry for chasing you. I shouldn't have done that.
Well, we're not trying to rob you.
I don't rob people. I
We
don't
do not
chase
rob
people and rob
We're
them.
honest, man. We're
So,
honest.
anyways, bro, how you doing?
I'm doing.
I have a few questions for you. Sorry for your trouble, but I'm late. I'll be fast. Who do you listen to?
I listen to Henry Chopper, The Baby, and Roddy Rich.
Okay, let's say NLE Chopper and The Baby were on the same song. What makes you think that NLE Chopper or The Baby, one of them would be better? What makes you think one of them would be better than the other?
I think Henry Chopper, because of his like fast beats and the type of way he raps and stuff.
Like his delivery.
Yeah.
Okay, but what about The Baby? Because I've heard people complaining that, do you think The Baby has one same flow?
Yeah, and the lyrics he uses on his songs are usually similar, so I don't think he has new
Oh,
content.
so his lyrical content is like shallow. So you're saying flow and lyrical content could make NLE Chopper kill The Baby. Okay, that's nice. But also what I want to know is, in general, when you're listening to music, what do you look for in a rapper? What do you want a rapper to give you?
I want him to like talk about everyday life, you know? Not just like cars Ghost.
You don't want them
stuff.
showing off, talking about other cars.
So
like
basically, you're
hoes,
saying
like
you're looking for something you can relate to when a rapper speaks. Okay.
So, okay, that's nice. Other than those guys, do you have people that you listen to that are not trapping? You know, like proper rappers like J. Cole or Drake or Kendrick?
Yeah, there's a guy I listen to. He's
Uh-huh.
Dave.
Dave, I like Dave.
Oh, Dave is good.
And
So
funny
you're
thing-
into British rap?
On our
English
way
rap.
here today, we were listening to Dave. He's
Disaster.
pretty like, I was listening to Psychodrama, the album.
Yeah, I listen to a specific song, Disaster.
Oh, you like
Oh,
Disaster?
okay, alright.
That's nice. I actually have the song. I wish I could play it, but I don't have much time. For now, what I want you to do is I just want you to face the camera and tell people where they can follow you on Instagram. And we're definitely going to put your name there so they can find you.
You can follow me on vuyomlocha.zw on Instagram.
All right,
And,
that's cool. Mr. Vuyo, it was nice talking to you. You know,
Alright.
sorry for the trouble, mate.
Thank you very much.
Next time you see somebody running after you, you stop, you face them, and kick them in the face.
Just
I'm
to make
joking.
sure the numbers are okay, because you never know.
Yeah.
For me,
Yeah, for
that's
you.
in Kanye. I like hype things.
Like
I like hype. So he came in with hype.
Yeah.
Jay-Z was caught. The times when when you're wearing suits and
Yeah,
suit
man.
tie,
Yeah, you got
feel
it. You
Jay-Z
got
shit
it.
more.
That's it. Yeah,
But
that's it.
just in general, I'm a hype person. Kanye, that's I like when people talk shit. Stand it.
Alright, that's you. Anyone else?
I bop.
You pop.
I'm a bop.
You're a popper.
So bopping to this earth.
Yeah.
But if what to be hands down, God.
Yeah.
Kanye.
Alright.
Kanye. No, but talking about best rapper.
Yeah, man.
In terms of like flow.
Yeah.
Kanye got pity. I'm sure.
Alright,
Yeah, I got
alright,
pity.
alright.
And even like flicks, yeah.
Yeah.
Flicks. Mad flicks. That's
New
dope.
breakfast.
Jay-Z, Jay-Z's doing
Yeah, Jigga was in it for the business.
I'll cheat in fact.
Yeah, it's spelling. Isn't it? It's
Yeah,
Flame
no,
Star.
it's just Flame Star Nova.
Flame Stein Nova.
Flame Star and Nova.
Yeah.
Oh, Flame Star Nova.
Flame and Stein are a combination.
Oh, Flame Stein.
Dude,
Oh, all right.
People watching the video know what he's saying. Why are you
Nova.
confused? Why does he keep asking?
That was shit.
Why does he keep asking?
Hey, Graham. Do you know what I'm gonna make? What I'm gonna put on this video? Because when I said your gram, I'm just gonna put peace signs. So if people look for peace signs, you know.
No, but they land on my gram, though.
So his number can I tell you?
Yeah, fact. Don't feel like Kanye. He's like,
But what's your Instagram handle?
please, double underscore MBIS. 20.
Dope. So Liam, what's your gram?
He's the first Liam I've met in person. I only know Liam Hansmith and he's Australian. So that's why I say that.
Lee.yam._.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Why don't you just change your username to underscore?
Like, that's my
Imagine if someone's doing for that.
Damn, man.
I told you.
I know, like, you know, I'm a man of my word.
told you.
You know, I'm a man of my word.
I told you.
All right. You know, men lie, women lie, and numbers don't. So, yeah.
Numbers don't lie. Check the score.
Shit,
Boom.
man.
But what I like is
I was
what I
wrong.
like. At least they say they respect Jay-Z.
Exactly.
Yeah, but
I
they
think
say that Kanye killed all of them. Say all of them. All of them. They
bottom
say
line is,
Kanye
I think
killed Jay-Z.
I think this is exactly why I don't listen to hip hop, man. I always choose the wrong side. I'm gonna stick
I
to
think I'm gonna
activist
change
rap.
my genre.
Shout out to King Cricket,
No,
man.
it's we don't want you. People.
That's why I'm sitting. That's why I'm sitting on this couch.
Yeah.
No.
And that's for you, my
Now I'm
friend.
disappointed.
All
I am
respect, all
disappointed.
respect. Listen, that's why I say, you know what?
Yeah.
Because I need people to understand. That's why I said I respect Jay-Z. He's been in the game long enough. He's
Yeah.
been doing it well enough. But I just feel like Kanye is better. And everybody that we've talked to out on the streets agrees with me. Now the other thing that you might
I think most of the people who spoke to they just enjoy mumble rap.
yeah, they enjoy mumble rap. But then we spoke to one specific group that hates mumble rappers and likes proper rappers. And they all still say that.
No, I
What-
think
what
they
exactly?
subconsciously like mumble rap.
Why are we still even arguing? The numbers are all on my side. What you should be telling me now is how is Holiday going to get rid of his flu because Diamond is wanting for his.
Yeah, speed taking it, guys. Personally, from me,
Maybe you got it from Gamchirai, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, that was dry. Okay.
Shit, that's your worst joke ever.
Yeah, that's
Even Gamchirai would laugh at that one.
she probably crying at it. Well, anyways, so yeah, I think we've read it. Yeah, it's your victory. Congratulations once again.
And
Yes, I said once again.
Second episode.
I'm not a sole loser.
This is 2-0. This is Chelsea 2 wins, Man City 0. Now it's the Champions League.
Anyways,
Taking another one.
Well, I think we just have to wrap this up, guys. Thank you for watching the show. I hope to see you next time, same place, same time, every
Let's
Thursday
continue in
on
the comment
JAMS, and
section.
hopefully we defeat this guy next week.
Nah, that never happens. Anyways, if it's your first time, please subscribe and leave a comment. The discussion obviously continues in the comment section. Please keep telling these guys how good Kanye is. But for this week, we are.
peace.